Okay. When we come to browser navigations, these are the browser navigations, right? So browser navigations like driver.navigate.forward, backward, refresh, and URL, right? So how do we do that? Just we'll see. Okay. Now, for example, I have my this URL. This is my URL. Okay. I went to this URL. Okay. What do I want to do is, for example, I'll click on this URL. Okay. Here I have one link, right? I clicked on that. It came here. Okay, but I want to get to my home page again. How do I go? So I'll just click on back. Okay, now again I want to go back to that page where this link was there. I'll click on this. Okay, how do I do in automation? That thing we'll see. Okay, so I'll create my class browser navigations. New class browser navigations. Okay, so I'll just make it a main method. I've created. What were my prerequisite? As I said to you, these were my prerequisite, right? These were my prerequisite in going forward in all the things. So you should remember all this. Okay, so this is my prerequisite. But now in this case, my URL is, I want to perform on this. Just I'll change my URL with this. Okay, so now next thing was which I want to come here and I want to click on this, right? If I have to do whatever the actions, if you want to do on a particular element, first you will have to find that element, right? So I'll find this element by doing right click, inspect. Okay, now David Bonds. So can you just, I'll write an XPath for this. Anchor tag, text function equal to value, right? One match found. I'll take this XPath. Okay, now driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, dot click. Okay, now I'll go to this page, right? I went there. Okay, then I'll wait there for some 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Thread dot, just to show you people, thread dot sleep, I'll give some 5 seconds. Okay, just I'll throw the exception. Okay, after that what I'll do is I want to come back to home page. So driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, so okay, I came back, but I felt okay. Again, I had to go there and check something else. Okay, again I'll come here and I'll wait here for 5 seconds. Okay, I'll wait here for 5 seconds. Again, I want to go back. So driver dot navigate dot. Okay, I have forward, right? I'll go to that page. Okay, what I'll do again, after going there, I'll wait for some 2 seconds. Then I'll refresh that page and check. Okay, if it refresh works or not. So I'll wait for some 2 seconds. Then how do I do refresh? Driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay, this is what. Now, for example, after refreshing, what I'll do after once it is done, I want to go to some other URL. Driver dot navigate dot again, it will be in that page, right? I want to go to particular URL. So driver dot navigate dot to, I want to go to this URL again. Or I want to go to some SpiceJet URL. Okay, we will have to. So now we'll see and execute like how it works. Okay, so there are 4 methods: back, forward, refresh, and navigate to. So these are browser actions. Okay, it is launching, it is maximizing, then it is going to this URL, then it came here, it went here. It will wait for 5 seconds because I have given the 5-second sleep. It will stay for 5 seconds. Then it has to go back to this. Okay. Then again, it will wait for 5 seconds here. Then I remembered something here. I came here. Okay, then I'll wait for 2 seconds. Then I did refresh and I navigated back to this page. Is it clear, browser navigations? This is what is all about browser navigations.